To prevent data loss, many Android users back up files to OneDrive. However, OneDrive also has security risks if access isn't properly protected. In this video, I'll show you how to encrypt OneDrive on Android to better protect your data. How to enhance OneDrive safety on Android in 4 simple ways. Way 1. Set a password. Basic approach. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open OneDrive, sign in, tap the menu, and go to Settings. Scroll down the Settings page and go to the Passcode page. Then toggle on the Require Code feature. After that, you will be asked to set a 4-digit code. Just type them in and re-enter the code in the next page. At last. Just confirm that, and from now on, all the people, including yourself, can only enter the OneDrive with the password. Way 2. Enable two-factor authentication to FA. How to set it up. Open the OneDrive app on your Android device. Go to Settings, Security, two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to enable to FA, typically using your phone number, or an authenticator app like Microsoft Authenticator. Way 3. Use App Lock or Fingerprint authentication. Go to Settings, Biometrics and Security on your Android device. Enable Fingerprint Unlock or use face recognition. Open OneDrive, go to Settings, and enable App Lock or Fingerprint authentication. Way 4. Regularly review and manage app permissions. Open the OneDrive app and go to Settings. Check the Permissions section to see what access you've granted, like access to files, contacts, or the camera. Disable unnecessary permissions or enable permissions only for trusted apps.